Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and let's talk about AMD right now today. It is not looking good. We gotta admit, we gotta say it is not looking good. We have nothing but bearish structures in the short term at least. However, I think there is still hope for AMD. Let's talk about a few key points. Let's work with some scenarios. I think you guys are gonna like this video. So my friends, if you are already my subscriber, please click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do daily videos about AMD, Neo, Tesla, Nvidia, and much more. I firmly believe you guys are going to like our content. So seriously, I recommend subscribing. Now, in the daily chart, the situation is not looking good. I was working with Fibonacci's retracements, but the retracements are not working as a reliable support right now. None of them, neither the 38 or the 50 or the 61.8% retracement, they're all being ignored. So I think we should adapt our strategy and ignore Fibonacci's retracements as well. This is how a real trader must react, right? We must adapt ourselves to new information. Now, the situation is not looking good, and what's more, it is not that easy right now. AMD is in a very hard moment, so it's gonna be very hard timing AMD right now, but I think we can find some sense of all of this. Now, AMD, it is trying to react, okay? We see that it is trying to form a bottom level over here, a support level. This is good. It tried to stabilize over here on April 1 and on April 4. In fact, on April 4, it did a bullish candlestick. However, the volume was not that high. So we can't buy a bullish reaction with a volume like this. I think we should wait for better bullish structure on it before calling AMD a buy again. And I think the 1 hour chart has more clues for us because in the 1 hour chart we have a crystal clear support level at 106.11. This red line down here. I think this red line is the most important support level on AMD in the short mid-term, because if we hold at the 106 or near the 106, we will have decent chances of doing a bullish structure, even a bullish pivot point. Okay, let's draw it here. We might see a higher high, higher low. This is good. This is a classic reversal chart pattern, and this is great. But we must break the $111, $110 area. I think it is very important for us to break this point and close above it once for all. Okay, so this is the most important resistance level for us to work with in the short term, and this is the most important support level for us to work in the short term. What's more, the 21 EMA is working as a resistance for us. It did work nicely over here yesterday. We are dropping since we hit that point, so it is not going to be an easy fight. So I think AMD must break the EMA and, most important of all, the $110. If we do that, I firmly believe we are going to fill this gap at $118.60 if you want a precise number. I firmly believe we are going to fill this gap in the short mid-term. In the daily chart, it is important for us to confirm this bullish reaction doing a bullish candlestick, and if we do any bullish reaction at this area, we will have decent chances of not only filling this gap, but even trading above this gap. In this case, we might set new targets on AMD for the mid-term. However, if you want to become a consistent swing trader, well, I really advise you guys to subscribe at my trading newsletter, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. It is the only newsletter that can consistently beat the market for weeks and weeks and weeks, and which results are totally public. Okay? Or you may check our results, you may check every single one of our trades since 2021. We have been doing amazingly well. Our performance is brutal. So seriously, if you want to become a consistent swing trader, join us over there. Now, by filling this gap, maybe AMD is going to do a bullish structure in the daily chart, okay? Because this is going to be a higher bottom, and by breaking this point we will see a higher high. If that's the case, AMD will reverse and probably, most likely, it is going to seek the next resistance levels. The first resistance for us to work with is $132.96. Okay, and this might be our next target for the midterm. Short term speaking, I believe it's going to fill this gap. Midterm speaking, $132.96. Okay, however, we must wait for confirmation. Okay, we must wait for AMD to actually triggering a bullish structure in the 1 hour chart. Either way, $110 is the most important key point for AMD to break. By breaking this point, we will have decent, real good chances of reversing the trend in the short midterm as well. So let's keep our eyes open at these key points from here. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. I mean, you probably liked this video, right? So seriously, consider subscribing right now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.